This video will show you the safest way to get in and out of a wheelchair. First, place the wheelchair in an accessible location and clear any obstructions. Next, we apply the brakes on both sides of the wheelchair. Fold the footplates out of the way. If possible, make sure the person is wearing supportive footwear to avoid damaging their feet or toes on the footplates. If you've been prescribed a piece of walking equipment, use it. Here, a walking frame is being used. Guide the person into position in front of the chair. Ask them to turn around so the wheelchair is behind them. They should slowly move back until they feel the wheelchair against their legs. Then, moving one hand at a time, the person should reach back and grab the arms of the chair and slowly lower themselves into the seat. You can support them with a hand on their back and shoulder if necessary. Make sure they've shuffled right to the back of the seat. Ask the person to lift their legs to make room for the footplates. You can assist with this if they are having difficulty. Be careful not to hit the person's legs or feet as you bring the footplates into position. Secure the lap belt if you wish. It's not always essential, but it can be useful if you have slopes or curbs to negotiate. You can now release the brakes on the wheelchair. It's good to think of the wheelchair as an extension of the person, so always ask for consent before touching or moving the wheelchair. Now let's look at getting out of the wheelchair. First, apply the brakes on both sides of the wheelchair. Next, release the lap belt if it has been secured. Ask the person to lift their feet one at a time as you fold the footplates out of the way. You can assist them to lift their feet if they're having difficulty. Get the walking frame into position in front of the person. Then ask them to shuffle forward to the edge of the seat, bringing their feet closer to the floor. Have them hold on to the arms of the chair and then lean forward before pushing themselves up. You can support them if necessary. They should bring their hands onto the frame one at a time. Once the person has found their balance and feels stable, they can move on using the frame.